Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If Battlefield 6 keeps saying unable to connect to EA servers, don't worry, here's exactly what you need to do. First thing you should check is whether the problem is actually on EA side. Open your browser and go to the EA Help Server Status page. Look up Battlefield 6 and see if the servers are down. If they are, then it's not your device. You just have to wait for EA to fix it. You can also follow EA's official social media pages because they post live outage updates pretty fast. If the servers are fine on EA's end, then the next thing you should try is restarting your router and your PC. Power off your router or modem, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Restart your computer as well. Once everything powers back up, launch Battlefield 6 again and see if it connects. A simple restart actually fixes this issue for a lot of people. If you're still stuck, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wi-Fi sometimes causes unstable speeds or spikes in latency that prevent the game from connecting to EA servers. Plug your PC directly into the router using an Ethernet cable, disable your Wi-Fi so it doesn't interfere, then open the game again and test the connection. Another thing that can easily block Battlefield 6 from connecting is a VPN or proxy. If you're using one, turn it off completely. Close the VPN app, disable proxy settings if you have any enabled, and then restore your PC. Battlefield games often block VPN traffic for security reasons, so playing with one enabled usually triggers connection errors. After turning it off, launch the game again and try connecting normally. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.